How to fix your Warzone missing operator. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is try to restart your game. Close the Warzone completely and try restarting your game, which should go ahead and solve your problem. If it still doesn't, then you might need to check operator unlock status. Make sure that the operator is unlocked in your account. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check the bundle pack or install status. You can go to the platform store or game library and make sure that the operator pack is installed. If not, you want to simply go ahead and check if there are any latest versions or updates available for the game. You want to simply go ahead and update it. If that is not the case, you might need to rebuild your database to fix corrupted data that may cause missing content if you're using PS4 or Xbox. I've already written the platform species or specific fixes down here. You can simply go ahead and pause the video and check it out. The other thing you want to do is try to log out and log back into your account. If that doesn't work, you might need to make sure that your Activision account is linked properly. Or if nothing works, simply go ahead and contact their support at support.activision.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.